Welcome to the next video in our series on spring cleaning, where we are cleaning out the Google Garage. So far, we've already looked at cleaning up our bookmarks bar up here at the top. In our last video, we checked out how we can quickly archive all of our messages so that they are accessible but not filling up our inbox. Today, we're still in Gmail, and we're going to look how to quickly just make a filter, not going through the complicated steps of setting up as many filters as we want, but just on the fly. I'm in my inbox, and I see something that the same kinds of emails that come in frequently. And for teachers right now, really good example of that is the Meet recordings that we might be getting if we're recording our Google Meet sessions. So what we need to do is simply just click to open our email, and then we can find the three dots right up here at the top center where it says More. And we're going to select the option that says Filter Messages Like These. So again, we've opened the email, three dots, Filter Messages Like These. And what it does is it's pulled up all the emails now that are from this same email address, which is what all of the Google Meet recordings will come from. You can add in other things here as you want, as you create other filters. If it's from certain people to certain people, always has the same subject line, those sorts of things. You can mess with any of those that you want. But this is just a real good example of it pulling the most obvious common denominator of all these emails, and that's simply who it's from. Now that it's there, I'm going to click Create Filter. What do I want to do? Well, I can have it skip my inbox, right? I don't need it to fill my inbox. So it's going to go straight to my all mail, which we talked about in the last video. I don't really need to read it, so I can also mark it as read so that it's not showing up as an unread email. And then I probably can just quickly apply a label. All right. Now I don't have a label yet for my Meet recordings. So right here under this drop down, I'm going to click New Label, and I'm going to type in Meet Recordings and create. Now there's other options here. If I never look at these things, but I know that they're saved in Google Drive, I can choose to just have it be deleted, forward them on, never send it to spam, send as a template, always mark it as important. You can do that, for certain people who are more on the hierarchy for you. You can mark those things as always important or whatever. Never mark it as important. If it's something that keeps getting automatically marked as important, you can change that here. And then choose what kind of category it might also go in. What's really cool is I can also apply this filter to 31 matching conversations. So however many other conversations that already exist or emails that have this same quality of being from this email address, I can grab all of those right now, as well as all the ones that come in the future. And those ones are going to skip my inbox, be marked as read, going to go straight into a Meet recordings label that's going to show up over here off to the left. And that's going to help clear out my inbox so that I'm focused on the things that are maybe coming from the people and groups that are most important to the work that I do every day. So now that those things are set up, we're going to go ahead and click Create Filter. Again, anything that is from that email address that comes in is going to skip my inbox. It's going to be marked as read, and it's going to go straight to this folder. And that helps keep my inbox clean and my time focused on the people and groups that are most important to me. Well, there you have it, Harlem. Enjoy a cleaner and more focused inbox. Let's check that one off of the list for today. Have a fantastic day.